Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to turn on Apple Intelligence on iPhone. Alright, let's begin. First, open up the Settings app on your mobile device. Then, go to the General tab, tap on Software Update, and then make sure you're running the latest version of iOS. Note that you need to have minimum iOS 18.2 to get the most out of the Apple Intelligence features and have it enabled. Now, if you see a pop-up that says Update Now, you just need to install that update ASAP. Once the device is updated, get one step back and then access the Apple Intelligence and Siri tab. Now, tap on Turn on Apple Intelligence, and it's going to give you this little prompt. Simply tap on Continue. Choose your notifications to summarize. So if you want to choose them, you can choose which ones that it works with, or you can also cancel it out and then play with those settings later. As you can see, Apple Intelligence has been enabled successfully. So that's basically how you can turn on Apple Intelligence on iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.